480 Traverse crossbar system is Thule's solution for mounting crossbars on cars with no factory rail system or pre-installed mounting points. This system consists of Thule's standard load bars, the 480 Traverse foot pack, and a car-specific fit kit including the rubberized clips and pads needed to fit your vehicle. The first step to installation is preparing the towers. The instructions in the fit kit will tell you which clips and pads go on which tower, so be sure to match the numbers on the fit kit pieces with the corresponding tower. Slide the clip into the tower until it sits behind the small gray tab just above the circular metal piece, and then press the rubber pad onto the swiveling plastic bottom plate. Be sure the lip of the rubber pad is fully grasping the lip of the plate. Opening the metal lever on the back of the tower will release the tension on the top of the tower, allowing you to slide the entire piece onto the load bar. Make sure the grooved side of the load bar is facing up when sliding it through the clamp. The fit kit instructions also specify what Thule calls an X measurement, which is the distance between the towers on your front bar, measured between the metal clamps on the top of the towers. This measurement needs to be followed exactly to ensure a safe fit. Also check that the overhang on the outside of the towers is even. Once you are confident in your measurements and placements, folding down the lever on the back of the towers will lock them in place. Thule provides small black stickers with the fit kit to help specify which tower setup goes on which corner of your roof. The Y measurement in the fit kit is the distance between the towers of your rear bar. The process for attaching the towers to the bar is exactly the same as the front bar. Measure the distance between the towers, check the overhang on the outside, and fold the metal levers down to lock them in place. The fit kit also specifies where to put the completed crossbar setup on your roof. This will be a measurement from the windshield to the leading edge of the tower. This measurement comes directly from Thule and is based on roof strength and providing the strongest grip between the towers and your roof. Straying from this placement may cause the clip to sit incorrectly, endangering the security of the rack and its overall strength. Once you are confident in the crossbar's placement, press the clip against the lip of your roof where it is being mounted, and begin tightening the clip and tower down using the provided Allen wrench. The wrenches also act as a torque meter. When the lines on the inner green section and the outer gray section are aligned, the tower is sufficiently tight. Check your fit kit instructions for the rear bar placement. This will be provided as a measurement from your front bar to your rear bar. Again, this measurement is not arbitrary and needs to be followed exactly. Once you have the correct placement, the towers are tightened in the same way as those on your front bar. To prevent the bar from moving laterally, it is sometimes helpful to have a partner tightening the opposite tower simultaneously. The Allen wrenches can be pushed completely into the tower for storage, or can be completely removed without affecting the rack. Though not necessary to the rack's functionality, Thule lock cords are a worthwhile addition to the towers, as they prevent free access to the tower's mounting hardware. Pop out the circular plastic covering on the door of the tower. Scrape out any remaining plastic from the cover in the lock housing. Insert the lock and twist it until it sits completely in the housing. Unlocked, you can open and close the door normally, while the door will remain closed when the system is locked. If you have any questions about the Thule 480 Traverse setup, or to find your specific fit kit, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362, or check out our fit guides at rackwarehouse.com.